treasure the most. Dusting off the memories, I'm feeling like a host of my own little world on the Sunday street, finding the rhythm and the movement of my feet. The sidewalk is stage and I'm ready to play, chasing all the shadows of the week away. No place to be, no deadline to meet, just the sound of the pavement and the steady beat. Every step I take, it feels so light and free, walking through the city, just the shoes and me. The wind is whispering a melody so sweet, making every corner of the world feel complete. Can you feel the pulse? Can you feel the flow? Ready for the journey, nowhere else to go. Under the blue, ooh, I'm coming to you. Ooh, yeah, everything's clear, everything's new. In my favorite shoes on a Sunday afternoon, everything is dancing to a perfect tune. Walking through the day, let the worries fade away. It's a Sunday rhythm and I'm here to stay. Left and right, stepping into the light, everything's finally looking so bright. Walking on Sunday, walking on Sunday, very well. Sunday. I see the people passing, I see the trees swing, I can hear the bells of the Sunday choiring. It's a simple kind of magic, a simple kind of grace, seeing all the beauty in a familiar place. Every mile I walk is a mile I belong, finding the lyrics to my favorite song. In my favorite shoes on a Sunday afternoon, everything is dancing to a perfect tune. Walking through the day, let the worries fade away. It's a Sunday rhythm and I'm here to stay. Taking it easy, taking it slow, watching the Sunday garden grow. No rush, no hurry, no more worry. In my favorite shoes on a Sunday afternoon, everything is dancing to a perfect tune. Walking through the day, let the worries fade away. It's a Sunday rhythm and I'm here to stay. My Sunday shoes, just keep walking. Lost in the gray, I was fading away. Every heartbeat felt like a price I had to pay. But you reached through the clouds, pulled me into the light. Now everything around me is finally shining bright. I don't need a reason, I don't need a sign. Just knowing you're here makes the universe align. The shadows are gone, the silence is broken. Words of my heart are finally spoken. Can you feel the rhythm? Can you feel the heat? My world starts spinning when I rise me. I'm so happy because of you, my saving grace. You're the only star in this lonely space. So happy because of you, I'm alive again. This is where my story and my joy began. Happy because of you. Just you. If this is a dream, don't ever wake me up. You're the overflowing wine in my empty cup.